Sometimes when you're updating WordPress plugins, you can run into this little error message here, which means it's stuck in maintenance mode. You could have moved away from the plugin update or refreshed the screen by mistake. And then what happens is you get this error message and you can't get back into your admin section, you can't get back into the front end of your website because it's stuck in this maintenance mode. And there's a quick fix for this is you can FTP into your website or where your website is hosted, and then delete a file called .maintenance. So if you FTP into it and you find this file here called .maintenance, it's an empty file, doesn't really have anything in it of any importance. You just go down and you delete that file. You go back to your website, refresh, and it should come back to you. If that doesn't do it, then you should look at refreshing your cache for your website, and that should sort the error message out. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped.